Prepositions answer the questions of where and when. So let's go to have some examples on this. For example, where is the cat? The cat is in the tub. So where is the cat? In the tub. So the word in is a preposition here. Where is the cat? The cat is on the table. Where is the cat? On the table. So we have got the preposition on. Where is the cat now? The cat is under the bed. Where is the cat? Under the bed. The preposition is under here. So, what did we learn? We learned in, on, under. Wow, that's great. We learned 3 prepositions. Let's learn some more prepositions. The jackal is in front of the den. So the word in front is a preposition here. The girl is inside the farm. So here the preposition is inside. The cat is jumping through the window. So the word throw is a preposition here. The cat is playing outside. So here we have got the preposition outside. Now, let's learn the prepositions that answer the questions of when. For example, we will go to play at 12 o'clock. So the preposition here is at. Her birthday is on 1st January. So the word on is indicating the preposition of time. They have no school on Friday. So they are happy. The word preposition is on here. We use umbrella in the rainy season. So in is indicating a preposition. Now, I'm gonna give you a task. Write 5 prepositions in the comment box that you have learned from this video. Thanks for watching.